Today we're going to be going over how to add system groups to your JumpCloud organization. System groups allow you as an administrator to add multiple systems to a group and configure user group access and policies that can be applied. To get started adding system groups within your JumpCloud organization, you'll first need to log into your JumpCloud administrative account. Navigate to the Groups menu on the left-hand side. You'll then want to click on the green plus button on the top left and select Group of Systems. A configuration panel will slide out from the right-hand side, allowing you to start building your system groups. The first tab is the Details tab. This is where you can set the system group's name. For this example, I'm going to create a system group called Windows Systems. The second tab, Systems, allows you to add the systems to this group. You can sort the systems within the list by their operating system or activity status by hitting the Filter By button in the top right-hand side of the panel. Likewise, you can search for the system by adding its name within the search bar. You can also show the current bound systems within the system group by hitting the Show Bound Systems checkbox to the right of the search bar. The User Group tab allows you to bind the user groups you've already created to these systems within the system group. This is primarily for shared system environments, DevOps use cases, or departmental needs such as reception or accounting. Lastly, the Policies tab will allow you to configure and apply the policies to the systems added within the system group. You can filter the policies by this list by clicking on the headers to sort ascending or descending, such as type for operating systems, or via the names of the policies. In this use case, since the system group is going to be a Windows system group, I'm going to select all of the Windows policies I've configured and bind them to this group. This in turn will apply these policies to all systems bound within the system group within 60 seconds. This concludes the tutorial on creating and configuring system groups within your JumpCloud organization.